Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. How much protein on a high sugar diet? Where do I get protein on a high sugar diet? Yeah, that's right. So today I'm going to be showing you what I'm eating. This is just a clip of my workout. If you're new to my channel, I strength train 3 days a week generally. I run 2 to 3 days a week, and I do that fasted at about 11 a.m. and I break my fast around 1 p.m. I practice intermittent fasting, a plant-based diet with plenty of fruit. So I started off this day at noon with a lemon ginger blast, and it had celery, apples, ginger, turmeric, lemon, cucumber, parsley, and cilantro. And I actually made 2 liters of this, but there's my dog Blackberry. But I only drank 1 liter. So I just had made 2 liters, one for today, one for tomorrow. And there's the 2 liters. So at around noon, I had 1 of the 2 liters of the lemon ginger blast. Then at around 1:30, I had a little over a pound of blueberries. It was a pound and a couple ounces, about 18 ounces of blueberries. Super delicious. They've been really good lately in season. Then at around 3:30, 4 o'clock, I had watermelon, one of my other favorite fruits that we're starting to get in, so I'm getting excited about that. Enjoying the watermelon lately. And then just after the watermelon, I had a big salad. It was a bunch of mixed greens and butter lettuce. I had a cucumber, an avocado, an apple, a bell pepper. I had about a half of that big tomato, a serving of pistachios, and 5 dates. Super delicious dates. And that was my salad. There it is right there. It was huge and super delicious. No need to put salad dressing on that. I just had it the way it was. And then I'm going to have one more meal for today, but stay tuned because at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the amount of protein I had as well as the amount of fat, carbs, fiber, and calories for the day. Also, just need to mention real quick, if you'd like to support my channel, in the description box, I have my plant-based recipe ebook, so make sure you check that out. And these are some of the delicious recipes that I eat on a regular basis that I recommend to stay fit and healthy. Then at 7 p.m., I finished off with this veggie tofu stir-fry dish over rice, and I had 2 of these rice cakes with some plant-based cream cheese on top. So that was it for the day. It was a total of 2,400 calories, 65 grams of protein, 365 grams of carbs, 54 grams of fiber, and 64 grams of fat. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll be back soon. Bye-bye.